Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a dorm room tour of my dorm room. I am currently a first year at Amherst College and I do have one of like the smallest dorm rooms on campus, but that's okay because it has everything that I need. And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so when you first walk into the room, this is what it looks like this. Right here is my bed. I have it lofted all the way up. My roommate and I have ours lofted all the way up, which I'll explain in a second. I just have all of my pictures from home and from the first half of the year, like on the wall. I have these streamer things hanging up here, which are kind of cluttery, but I got them from when we were cleaning up from crew formal. Yeah, that's what my bed looks like. In front of my bed, I have this cart thing. So originally when we got our room, our desks, which are now against this wall, were in the middle of the room, and this cart was on my side, like facing this way, and it had the printer on it. But now it's at the end of my bed and I just use it for storage. Facing that is my dresser. So the dresser also comes with the room. It has 5 drawers, and I mean they're pretty spacious. So like this one has all my sweaters in it. So I have like underwear, sweaters, going out stuff, pants, and like workout stuff in this one. On top of it, I have my Brita water filter right here. Stuff that needs to be washed, my like toiletry caddy thing for showers, makeup wipes, my acne medicine, this lint roller. On this wall, oh, I have this picture that Matt took. It's really cool. And then I have a command hook for my towel. On the back of the door, there's also command hooks. So Sierra and I each have one for our jackets. So like she has her raincoat on this one, I have my crew jacket on this one. We put our trash and recycling down here. And then right here, there's a mirror. Over here, there's our closets with one shelf on top. So like up there, there's like enough room. I have my boot from when I sprained my ankle, my ski helmet, ski boots, this seaweed that my grandparents sent me. Both of my fans are up there. I think one's behind the other one. And then here's my closet. I guess like the actual like hanging part of the closet is not that big. Like at home, mine's probably has like, it's like this, but I have like 3 racks. So yeah, but I fold a lot of my clothes and I only hang up stuff that's like gonna get wrinkled. So I have like all of my jackets on this side, including my winter coat, because I think that we're very close to being done with winter. And then I have like t-shirts, sweatshirts, dresses, and pants and skirts. Underneath that, I have a shoe shelf thing right here, which it's also from Target, like that cart over there. So I have my shoes on the bottom shelf and on the second shelf, and along this, my boots are on the side. And then on the top, I have 2 more of these bins. And then my laundry basket is just like sitting in the closet. This is Sierra's whole side with her closet, her dresser. She has command hooks like for her towels and jackets, her bed, her desk. Yeah, so this is like the middle of the room. Here we have our desks. The reason why we had to loft our beds is because each of the desks is 1 inch too long to fit like against the wall. So you can see there's like a gap of space. This is like the gap of, yeah, anyways. There's a gap of space right there. So they're literally like 1 inch underneath each side to make them fit here, because originally they were in the middle of the room, but they would go like from like one edge of the carpet to the other end of the carpet, so there was no space to walk in between, which was super annoying. So we fixed it. Our desks come with, it's a chair, a desk, and a shelf. So some people put the shelf on their dresser, but I have it here because I like to use it to put all my stuff. It's kind of cluttered right now. I have my chair. I put this pad on my chair. Sierra has one too. I don't know where it is, but it might be on the back. But she has also one of these, and it's just a cushion for the chair, and I recommend getting one of those. I'll do a what to pack and what not to pack video later, but yes, that is really good. And so in this drawer, I keep all of my school supplies. I have like folders, books, like our reading multi-lit things, notebooks, folders, tape, a stapler, my glasses, tape, another thing of tape, all that stuff. We have 3 more drawers. So I have this drawer, which is like my snack food drawer. It's like, okay. And then I have this drawer where I keep like old papers, things like that. Here's some extra pictures that Matt and I took, and I just have them in here to take home later. I have extra ink for the printer, more tape, extra pencils, staples, my camera stuff, and a hard drive. And then in this drawer, I have all of my makeup and stuff like that. So I have all of my medicine, which is like just like cough and flu meds, band-aids, makeup, all my bows and scrunchies, brushes, extra like mascara and lip balms. And then on top of my desk, we have our printer right here. Here I have all of my cords, just like all here. They're organized, I promise. They just look really bad. My Hydro Flask right here. Then on this shelf back here, which is just the windowsill, I have the diffuser, a hot kettle thing, like an instant water pot, and then these flowers that my grandparents sent me. Moving on to under my bed, that's the last part. I have my computer charger, which runs under the bed, and like I put my computer on top of one of these bins. But under my bed, I have 4 bins where I store all my stuff. So this one has like toiletries, bedding, that one has clothes I'm storing over the summer, and then that one has pillows. I have a suitcase right there full of clothes that I need my parents to take back because I did not realize I would not need them. A carry-on suitcase, just storage, 2 laundry drying racks, this trash bag full of clothes, which I'm going to donate, and then in the back, you can't see it, but behind these 2 bins, they kind of stick out more because there's a suitcase back there, which I'm going to use to take all my stuff home. And then back in the corner, right behind that, I have my formal shoes. I think that's it for my room tour, but that's everything in my room. We do have one of the smallest rooms, so please keep that in mind if you're like looking, you're like, wow, the room is tiny. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about Amherst, feel free to comment them below, and yeah.